We are in Queensland, so I thought I would start this video here, separate it a bit from the New South Wales side because we did so much while we were in New South Wales. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. We've got lots on while we're here. We've got a New Year's Eve party, we've got Dylan's birthday, we've got Taylor's birthday, and a few bits and bobs in between. So I hope you guys enjoy.
As soon as we got back to Queensland, Ash cooked us up an amazing feed as per usual, and then a couple of days later we had the New Year's Eve party with a big bunch of friends and family. It was honestly so lovely. I think Ash cooked like a 6-course meal or something. The food was absolutely incredible and it was so nice to catch up with everyone. We'll include some clips from our little Instagram video too, so they'll showcase the food a little bit better.
We're all lining up. Alright. I'll start serving. Alright, get in there. Very good. That's always.
Are you cozy there?
We're just packing our bags now because we're heading for an overnight camp with some of our friends. So I'm not really sure where we're going, but we're heading to a waterfall out on the way. So obviously we'll bring you guys along. So Dill's just packing some snacks and stuff for us. So. Snacks. So yeah, obviously you guys will see the waterfall and our camp and everything. Laurie and Ash are working today, so they're going to come after they finish work. But yeah, it should be pretty fun.
I know that you're curious, I know that you're strong, but life can be furious and things can go wrong. You go,
Stay forward.
We're better off tomorrow, but who knows, if we get joy or sorrow.
She's a slippery old walk.
Stay true to that fire in your heart and your soul. Don't drench your desire in what you can't control. We fly, try so hard to get there, and we might, lost but not forever.
Once we finished up at the waterfall, we made our way to camp, which this was just a friend of a friend's property, and it was truly so stunning. Like, we couldn't get over how breathtaking it was. It was right by the river, as you can see, and we just kind of spent the whole time just hanging out, playing card games, and just having a really good time, going for swims here and there. But of course, me and Dylan didn't have any camping gear whatsoever because our bus and everything was on the other side of Australia. So shout out to all of our friends and family who bought all of our stuff for us, giving us swags and everything like that. Like, honestly, love you guys so much, and this was truly the best time.
You're ridiculous, you're not even close. Don't wish for indifference, you're not one of those. We fall, but we always rise up through it all. We get a little wiser. There's things in life you simply need to know, like sun and rain and trust and letting go. It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wondering before you make it safely to the end. And if you ever wonder, there is nothing wrong with a little thunder. There's things in life you simply need to know, about sun and rain and trust and letting go.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Taylor. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray! Hooray!
Make a wish.
Hear that rain coming.
So we're sleeping on a tent.
Yeah, it's so weird.
It's small and bustle.
Yep.
Probably have to do one to like get a feel of it.
Once we all left camp, we all went and grabbed some lunch together, and then the next day we had a pool party at a friend's house. It was so nice to catch up with everyone and see everyone before the holiday season ended and everyone had to go back to work.
Me and Dill are just heading for a dip at Stradbroke Creek, but we're just going to the back creek because the actual creek is super busy. So this is like a little secret spot that our friends Taylor and Sam showed us, but I don't know how secret it is anymore because there was quite a few cars parked there. Alright, we're going to actually head back to the beach and see if we can find a park because there's too many midges here. We're getting eaten alive. We managed to score like a perfect park like just over here. Bang over there. Big enough pump.
For Dill's birthday, we decided to go to the movies because we haven't been in so long, and then later that night we did some bowling and laser tag with our friends and family.
Love it, sweaty. I was Hollywood. Jill, what were you? Warrior? Warrior. Ash was Thor. Not bad. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hooray! We've just gotten to my sister's house, so her and Ryan are going to take me and Jill out on the boat. We're so excited. So I think the weather looks great. So she said we might head over to it's the Stradbroke Island, and just go for like a swim and a fish, but we'll see. I think she's going to take us to another island first, and then we'll just see how we're going from there if we want to go to Stradbroke or not. But yeah, I'm super excited. I can't wait to go out to the islands and yeah, go for a bit of a swim, hopefully get some fish. We'll see how we go.
Low tide, you can go right around it.
Yeah, look, they're all snorkeling around it.
Swim here or go up?
Where do you reckon?
Captain Dylan.
Hell yeah. Drop at the bottom and top. How the fuck do you manage that?
That's dinner.
The boat's getting away.
Bye, guys.
Very dramatic.
We are technically on Stradbroke Island.
Clearly a bit tougher.
Yeah!
Let me get covered in ink.
Yeah! Yeah! Yep. Hectic! Look at them all!
Oh.
Yes! Woo! Woo! He's so tiny. Phew. Good. Squid.
No, perfect. I was gonna die.
You're gonna dive, I'm not gonna dive. Graceful.
Looks like a ray.
We honestly had the most amazing day out on the water and we cannot wait to do it again next time we're back in Queensland. Later that night, once we got back, we went to Miami Marquetta to meet up with some friends for the very last time before our flight the next day.
Glorious.
Phil's new toy for WA.
Yep. Keep me in the aircon.
Mario Kart and Nintendo Switch. Very exciting.
Nice smack out.
What are you doing?
Toilet paper roll.
Living a best life. Oh my god, I miss you so much, Pap. Only a couple more hours to go. Maybe Sweet Canyon.
I don't want to do it for my hands.
We're just about to head to the airport, so we've been here now for almost a month, which I feel like has flown by. We've had the best time in New South Wales and Queensland, seeing all of our friends and family, so thank you guys so much for watching this episode. We hope you really enjoyed it, and we will see you when we get back to Broome.
Our flight has been delayed, not by long though, I think it's delayed by maybe half an hour or more, 45 minutes or something, so it's going to break out the Nintendo Switch. Huge ass line.
We just got on the plane, and then everyone got on the plane. Because that's an inspection, and then the pilot said we might not actually make it to Perth because he had to look out or something, but now we're obviously, as you can see, we're back on board again. So hopefully the plane takes some more time, but it's 2 hours after our original flight. Fingers crossed the plane actually takes it.
Wait, that's actually how that
We made it to Perth. Yay, it is currently 3:15 Queensland time, but I think it's 1:15 here, so got a 5-hour wait or more probably for our next. We have just boarded the plane here at Perth, so we're just about to head to Broome, but this plane also seems to be running behind schedule because we were meant to be leaving now and we've only just boarded, so I think it's running 20 to 30 minutes behind schedule too. But we will eventually get back to Broome, get back to Russell, and all will be fine. So yeah, I'm probably just going to end this video here because nothing too exciting. I don't know if I'll insert some footage of looking over Broome because it's really pretty. I'm brain dead because we haven't slept today. It's Friday, morning. We haven't slept obviously since like Wednesday night, so we're running off at 0 sleep. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next video.